Hi everybody, welcome back to the Harvest Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rename your MARSHALL Tufton speaker in your iPhone or iPad device. So, at first we need to go straight to settings and here into Bluetooth. Now we have to tap this info icon near our device name, and here we have to tap name. Now we can modify our name. Add some text, delete some text, add some emotes, delete some emotes, etc. When we are done, we can tap done here. And now, to bring back our name to the default one, we have to tap this X here and tap done again. As you can see, it's done. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!